Hi everyone, it's good to see you. My name is Hoffmann and today we're going to learn an absolute pop masterpiece. This is 7 Days by Sting and drummer Vinnie Colaiuta. Vinnie is known for his sense of time, for making odd time signatures, sound even, displacing beats in different subdivisions. So we have a full packed lesson ahead and I just want to quickly explain to you the 3-step practice approach for this lesson. We're gonna actively listen to the original recording, then zoom in and practice small snippets in a practice cycle at a medium tempo, and then zoom out again and transfer it into context and play it at the original tempo along with the music. So grab your pair of sticks, your practice pad, go to your drum set and let's practice the grooves and fills of this iconic song together. The first section is the verse. Although the song title 7 Days might lead you in a different direction, the song actually is in 5. So we are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Bass drum on 1, rim click on beat 4, and the notation down below is in 5/4. So we are feeling the hi-hat as 8th notes. The basic form of the verse groove sounds like this. Alright, but it doesn't quite sound like Vinnie's playing it. We all can play B1 and beat 4, but the secret is in the hi-hat phrasing. He's accenting every 4th note, so the groove goes over the bar line until it repeats. Adding the snare and bass drum to it, the groove sounds like this. This section of the verse that I chose has even more to it. At the end of the segment, Vinnie is playing a hi-hat variation accenting every 3rd note. So let's listen to it and pay attention to the hi-hat.
When I thought the field had cleared, it seems another suit appeared to challenge me. Oh, it's me.
So here's the isolated hi-hat pattern accenting every 3rd note. And adding the snare and bass drum, we end up with this. And now we practice the combination of those 2 hi-hat phrasings along with the music. 2 bars of accenting every 4th note, followed by 2 bars of accenting every 3rd hi-hat note.
Challenge me. Oh, it's me. Challenge me. Oh, it's me.
The next section of the verse we're gonna look at is the integration of splash cymbals. Let's have a listen. One more time. Very cool. So the basic form looks and sounds like this. Now if you want to keep the height going and still want to place those splashes, I came up with this sticking. And now we practice it in a 4-bar musical cycle. 3 bars of our regular verse groove accenting every 4th hi-hat note. And in the 4th bar, we play the splashes as our groove variation.
Well, we'll see. Rapidly. Well, we'll see. Rapidly. Well, we'll see. Rapidly. Well, we'll see.
The next part is the fill that leads into the first chorus, so let's listen to it.
It's him or me. Monday, I could wait till Tuesday.
All right, one more time.
It's him or me. Monday, I could wait till Tuesday.
It starts off with the bass drum, we crash the end of beat 2 and we keep the backbeat on beat 4. At a medium tempo, it sounds like this. And in a musical application, the fill sounds like this.
Plain to see, it's him or me. Monday, plain to see, it's him or me. Monday.
All right, let's play the transition one more time and I will play for you the entire chorus.
It's him or me. Monday, I could wait till Tuesday. If I make up my mind, Wednesday would be fine. Thursday's on my mind. Friday give me time. Saturday waits. Sunday'd be too late.
And now let's jump to the bridge. A lot of subdivisions are already covered by the percussion, so Vinnie chooses to play a sparse and slim drum part to give the bridge a relatively low and mellow energy level.
7 days will quickly go. The fact remains, I love her so. 7 days, so many ways I can run away. I can run away.
And now let's check out the outro section that has a 5 on the floor, if you will. 5 notes on the bass drum, backbeat is still on beat 4. And let's listen what Vinnie is playing on the bell of the right cymbal. All right, one more time. Sounds super fascinating and very advanced, right? But if we slow things down, we can hear quarter note triplets on the bell, and that's all to it. We have quite a popular polyrhythm of 6 notes on the right cymbal against 4 notes on the bass drum. And the magic trick to make it work in 5/4 is we play the 6 against 4 like in any 4/4 time signature, and the last quarter note of the bar, beat 5, is just where we land and stop. So let me show you how it sounds between right cymbal and bass drum first. And adding the backbeat on beat 4, we end up with this. Alright, so let's practice this in a 4-bar musical application with the music. Now you've made it and we've come to the end of the lesson. We've covered a lot of things to practice, but what I really hope you take away is the 3-step practice approach of active listening to the original recording, then zooming in and practicing what you want to learn in a musical practice cycle at a slow, medium tempo, and then transfer it into context and play it at the original tempo along with the music. And in all transparency, in a YouTube video lesson like this, things go fast. Please don't expect to play these exercises in the original tempo after practicing once along with this video. The length of a YouTube lesson isn't the reality of true practice. It takes way more time, way more repetition and struggles, questions and light bulb moments. So please be patient with yourself. Take your time with those exercises at your own pace and you will get there. And as always, I wish you a lot of fun. Let me know your thoughts in the comments on your struggles and your light bulb moments, and I hope this video has helped you. I see you in the next one. Take care and bye-bye.